Are you ready to learn 5 new English words? This week's topic is project updates. And there'll be a quiz at the end to test you on the words. So let's go. Process. Process. It's a verb that means to handle or manage something in a regular or usual way. Here's an example. Process them by noon. Process them by noon. Can you process them by noon? Can you process them by noon? I just sent the new dishes. Can you process them by noon? I'll process them, but this is madness. Let's review. Say this out loud. Process. Process. Say this out loud. Process them by noon. Process them by noon. Say this out loud. Can you process them by noon? Can you process them by noon? Update. Update. It's a verb that means to make something more modern or to add the newest information to it. Here's an example. Update my blog. Update my blog. I'll update my blog with a new recipe. I'll update my blog with a new recipe. I'll update my blog with a new Moroccan spice recipe. Update your wardrobe too, or fans will think you only cook. Let's review. Say this out loud. Update. Update. Say this out loud. Update my blog. Update my blog. Say this out loud. I'll update my blog with a new recipe. I'll update my blog with a new recipe. Brief. Brief. It's a verb that means to give someone important information quickly. Here's an example. Brief the kitchen. Brief the kitchen. I need to brief the kitchen before tonight's rush. I need to brief the kitchen before tonight's rush. I need to brief the kitchen on our new fusion dishes before tonight's rush. Spices or plating? I'm sweating already. Let's review. Say this out loud. Brief. Brief. Say this out loud. Brief the kitchen. Brief the kitchen. Say this out loud. I need to brief the kitchen before tonight's rush. I need to brief the kitchen before tonight's rush. Forward. Forward. It's a verb that means to send something to another place or person. Here's an example. Forward the signed lease. Forward the signed lease. Could you forward the signed lease? Could you forward the signed lease? Could you forward the signed lease to our client by 5 p.m.? I'll forward it as soon as I stop drowning in these figures. Let's review. Say this out loud. Forward. Forward. Say this out loud. Forward the signed lease. Forward the signed lease. Say this out loud. Could you forward the signed lease? Could you forward the signed lease? Follow up. Follow up. It's a phrasal verb that means to do something more after an earlier action to make sure it is successful or complete. Here's an example. Follow up tomorrow. Follow up tomorrow. I'll follow up tomorrow. I'll follow up tomorrow. I just sent the client the menu update. I'll follow up tomorrow to make sure they got it. You really think they won't ghost you again? Let's review. Say this out loud. Follow up. Follow up. Say this out loud. Follow up tomorrow. Follow up tomorrow. Say this out loud. I'll follow up tomorrow. I'll follow up tomorrow. It's quiz time. Let's see how well you remember the words from the last 5 lessons. Ready?
Process. Update.
Brief. Forward.
Follow up.
Great job! Follow English Class 101 for more English lessons.